Number 12. Alonso and Leclerc, Belgium 2018. This incident from the 2018 Belgian Grand Prix marks the first of several crashes mentioned here. It occurred during the race's initial lap at the notably narrow La Source hairpin. Here, Alonso's car became airborne and soared over Leclerc. Subsequent investigations by the FIA confirmed that the halo device played a crucial role in shielding Leclerc's head from Alonso's airborne Scuderia Ferrari. Number 11. Lando Norris, Belgium 2021. At the rain-drenched 2021 Belgian Grand Prix during Q3, Lando Norris lost control while navigating the daunting Eau Rouge and Raidillon corners, crashing into the barrier at high speed. The incident left spectators anxious for Norris's safety, particularly with the memory of Antoine Hubert's tragic fatal crash at the same location in Formula 2 still vivid. Fortunately, Norris was able to walk away from the crash unharmed. Number 10. Kevin Magnussen, Belgium 2016. During the 2016 Belgian Grand Prix, Kevin Magnussen lost control while exiting the high-speed Raidillon corner, causing his Renault to crash into the barriers. Despite the severity of the impact, Magnussen was able to walk away without any injuries. Number 9. Max Verstappen, Monaco 2015. During the 2015 Monaco Grand Prix, Max Verstappen had a dramatic crash when he collided with Romain Grosjean, causing his Toro Rosso to go airborne and crash nose first into the tyre wall at Saint-Devote. Although the accident left him winded and shaken, Verstappen was ultimately unharmed. Number 8. Carlos Sainz, Russia 2015. Carlos Sainz Jr. experienced a harrowing high-speed crash at the 2015 Russian Grand Prix while driving for Toro Rosso. As he applied the brakes following a long straight, he lost control of his car, initially skimming the barriers on the left side of the track before skidding headfirst into others. Although he was taken from the scene on a stretcher, he was fortunately unharmed. Number 7. Lance Stroll, Singapore 2023. During qualifying in Singapore, Lance Stroll was aggressively pushing his limits, but overstepped on the final corner. He ran a wheel off the edge of the tarmac, which caused a severe snap of oversteer. In his attempt to correct it, he overcorrected, resulting in his car being violently thrown into the outside tires. The car was completely destroyed, but fortunately, Lance emerged unscathed. Number 6. Mick Schumacher, Saudi Arabia 2022. Mick Schumacher's time with Haas in Formula 1 was marked by several significant crashes, the most severe occurring during qualifying at the 2022 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. The German driver ran slightly wide on a corner exit, hit a curb that caused the car to bottom out, and then shot back across the track into a concrete barrier. Although the barrier significantly damaged the Haas, rendering it destroyed, thankfully, Mick Schumacher recovered from the incident. Number 5. Max Verstappen, Silverstone 2021. One of the pivotal moments in the thrilling 2021 Formula 1 World Championship rivalry between Hamilton and Verstappen occurred at the British Grand Prix. Lewis Hamilton attempted a daring inside move on Max Verstappen at the extremely fast Copse corner, but ran a bit wide. Their cars touched, with Lewis clipping Max's rear wheel. This contact caused Verstappen to spin at high speed across the track, through the gravel and into the barriers on the outside. Although Max was unharmed, he was visibly upset by the incident. Number 4. Marcus Ericsson, Italy 2018. During a practice session at the 2018 Italian Grand Prix in Monza, Marcus Ericsson experienced a severe high-speed crash. A failure in his DRS system caused his car to veer off to one side as he applied the brakes, leading him to collide with the barriers and roll over 4 times. Remarkably, despite the dramatic and violent nature of the crash, Ericsson walked away without any injuries, highlighting the significant safety advancements in the sport. Number 3. Fernando Alonso, Australia 2016. During the 2016 Australian Grand Prix, Fernando Alonso was involved in a terrifying crash when his McLaren flipped after making contact with Esteban Gutierrez. Remarkably, both drivers emerged from the incident unharmed. Number 2. Zhou Guanyu, Silverstone 2022. The 2022 British Grand Prix witnessed a frightening accident, even more severe than the notable crash involving Max Verstappen the previous year. At the race's start, Zhou Guanyu's Alfa Romeo became entangled with Pierre Gasly and George Russell, This contact flipped Zhou's car upside down, sending it skidding backwards for hundreds of feet. The momentum carried the car into a gravel trap, which catapulted it over the barriers and left it resting against the fencing. Remarkably, Zhou emerged unharmed, a testament to the life-saving efficacy of the halo system. Number 1. Romain Grosjean, Bahrain 2020. Romain Grosjean's crash at the 2020 Bahrain Grand Prix is considered one of the most horrific accidents in recent Formula One history, as well as one of the worst ever. On the first lap, after making contact with another car, Grosjean's Haas veered sharply left and collided with an Armco barrier. The impact was so severe that it tore the race car in two. The rear half remained on the trackside, while the front half, including the cockpit and Grosjean himself, penetrated the barrier and burst into flames upon going through. Rescue teams reached the scene almost instantly after Romain Grosjean's devastating crash at the 2020 Bahrain Grand Prix, though the severity of the impact and the engulfing fireball led many to fear the worst. Astonishingly, images captured the moment Grosjean emerged from the flames, managing to climb over the barrier with the help of a medic. His survival was nothing short of miraculous, with the only significant injuries being burns to his hands. Grosjean later recounted that his foot was trapped, but in a desperate bid to escape, he pulled so hard that his boot came off his foot, enabling him to free himself. This incredible escape highlighted not only his resilience, but also the advanced safety measures in Formula One. So, what did you think of our video? Do you think that Formula One has improved in its safety measures enough? If you liked this video, leave us a like and share it with your Formula One friends. And as always, subscribe and make sure to turn on your bell notification so you can catch the next video as soon as it goes up. See you next time.